Hi everyone, Sumit Chandra this side, and I welcome you to our channel Solution Bridge Network and one-stop solution for all your Power Platform tutorials. Have you ever needed to export your Power BI report into multiple PDFs based on certain filters, like separate PDF for each country, but doing it manually takes too much time? In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate the entire process. We will generate separate PDF files for each country using Power Automate. This approach is practical, scalable, and perfect for real-world reporting scenarios. Let's get started. In many reporting scenarios, we often need to share filtered reports with different stakeholders. For example, country-wise report, region-specific insights, client-level dashboards, etc. Now, doing this manually means applying filters one by one, exporting PDFs individually, renaming files manually, which is not efficient at all. So instead, we will automate everything. We will build an automation that will apply a country filter dynamically, export the report as a PDF, save it with a country specific name, and repeat this for all countries. So essentially, we are creating a loop that performs all these steps automatically. So at first, let me show you what we have and what we wanted to achieve. In the screen, we have a Power BI report and here we have three pages. As of now, you are not applied any filters, but we wanted to export separate PDF for each country and we wanted to generate separate PDFs file based on countries. To achieve this, our report has to be published in Power BI service and we will use Power Automate. Now let's move to Power Automate and create a new flow. So I'm in Power Automate now. Let me create a new flow. From here, for now, I'm choosing scheduled cloud flow. Let me put a name. PDF extraction by countries. For now, let me schedule it every week on Monday. So let me select Monday and unselect others. Now I already set my trigger. Let me click on create. This is the window for Power Automate. Let me switch the new designer to old one. So at first, we need the country list from where we will run the loop and we will be able to generate single PDF files for each countries. For that, let me add a new step. So here I will require a variable. So let me type variable and from here I will choose initialize variable. Let me put a name here. So I'm putting country. In type, let me select array as we have multiple countries. And for now, let me put the array. So in square bracket, we need to define the country name and in between country name, we have to put comma. For now, I'm just taking two country. Later on, I will show you how we can fetch it from the Power BI query itself. Now, let me add another step and here as we have to run a loop, so that's why I'm typing apply to each. Let me select apply to each. Here from dynamic content, we can select country and now we need to add another action. So here we will use Power BI connector. So I am typing Power BI and in action we'll choose export to file for Power BI reports. Now here we have to select the workspace name. So let me click on this drop down and from here I am selecting fabric testing. Let me select the report name. So I'm using this report Power BI Fab 2025 updates. File format I need to keep as PDF. Here we can define some other parameters as well, but for now let me skip. And here this is an important action. So here we need to define the report level filter so that we will be able to filter the countries, and accordingly our PDF will be generated for each country. So here we have to pass the filter, and for passing the filter we have to write the table names then the field name. So if I come to the report and if I go to edit view, so from here you can see this is our table name, and here we have the field name as country. Now after equal we have to put a single quote, and in between this quote we have to select the dynamic content for current item. So now I am not applying any filter in page. Here you can see we have three pages. So let me extract three pages in the PDFs now, and later on I will show you how we can extract a single page if required. So at last, let me put another action so that I can send those information in an email and we can test it. So I am selecting send an email, and for now let me send this email to me. I am selecting my email ID. In subject let me put report, and after report we need to put the country name. So I put a space, and from dynamic content again we will choose current item. Here I am not drafting anything in the body, I am just typing PFA for now, and we have to attach this PDF. For the same, in the attachment name, again I am putting the attachment name as report underscore, and to make it dynamic I am selecting current item. We have to put the extension, and that is PDF. And now we need the attachment content. For that we have to select file content from export to file for Power BI reports, and that's it. Now we did all the basic configuration those would be required. So it's a very simple flow with three or four actions. Now let me save it, and let us quickly run it so that we can test it. From here we can see in each actions how it's running, and if I come here in the initialize variable you can see the country names, and if I come to apply to each, here you can see our loop will run two times because we define two countries only as of now. I just got an email notification. Let me come to the email, and here you can see we got the email, and in the subject it's report with the country name, and in the attachment as well we have report underscore country name. And if we click on this PDF, here you can see this report, but this is for Canada. In the report we have different number because this is for all countries, and in the email this was is for Canada. Let me close this. We have received another email, and that is for France. So let me open the attachment, and here you will find different numbers. But in the attachment you can see all the three pages has been extracted. So let's say for example we need this first page only. For the same we have two options. Either we can hide the other pages from the report if those are not required from the reporting perspective as well. Now let's assume that other pages are required from the reporting perspective, but in the extraction of PDF we required page 1 only. In this case, From this report URL, if you see here, we have the workspace ID, then we have the semantic model ID, means the report ID, and at last we have the link for page. So we have to copy this. Again, we have to come to the flow. We need to click on edit. Again, we have to come to apply to each, export to file for Power BI report. And here, page name, we have to paste what we have copied. And that's it. Let me save it now. And let us run the flow again to test it. Now our flow is running, so we have to wait for some time and validate the result. So we got the email. Now let's come to the email, and here we can see the report has been extracted, but let's open the attachment, and in the attachment let me see, now we have one pages only, so we don't have the other pages. We will get the notification for other countries soon, and here it is. So we have the attachment for France as well. We can open it and see it here. As of now, in the Power Automate flow, in the variable, we just define two countries inside an array. Instead of this, we can directly fetch the unique countries from the report itself. That I will show you in the next part of this video. And that's how you can automate PDF extraction from Power BI reports using Power Automate. Hope you found this video useful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon for the new video alerts.